The commitment to come and invest in Detroit was tremendous.
It was an international statement that Detroit is alive and well, and nobody thought the city of Detroit was a contender.
We have never had an opportunity to lift the community at scale that this opportunity is going to provide. Detroiters felt like Stellantis wanted them to be successful.
And I'm gonna jump out of my seat because I realize how many people over here need good quality jobs.
And when he said, Mark, I want to make sure that we give Detroiters the first pick at coming in, so absolutely, that's the right thing to do.
To have the opportunity to have a good job right in their community, I think is priceless.
So, having that opportunity to be able to live in the city and work in the city has really been a treat for me.
The numbers really speak for themselves. The biggest investment in the automotive assembly plant in the United States in 15 years.
It's exciting to be at a brand new plant and to be part of that launch.
It is absolutely a benchmark facility, not only the country, but across the world.
Welcome to Detroit Assembly Complex Mack.